All right, we're digging into the Extreme Kids Chemistry set from Play 2. Just got this one in. It's lots of STEM experiments. It says 52 experiments, a 36-page booklet. Lots of different stuff in this one. This is a brand new set, and it looks like there's a lot of physical experiments in here. It does have some renewable stuff, bicarbonate, citric acid, plaster of Paris, some other things, and then some tools. So we've already opened up the side here. It comes all sealed up. Let's take a look at what it looks like when you open it up for the first time. Gonna get all the equipment in one bag here with the some of the tools and pieces of equipment, some of the food colorings and things. Got the booklet. Looks like there's lots of illustrations, step-by-steps. Pretty decent. Got eyewear, it looks like. Some different, what you'd expect to see. What you're not seeing is a big blown organizing tray, which, you know, helps with the presentation a little bit, but it's just extra plastic. So I like that there's a lot of stuff in here, and they didn't spend a lot of time worrying about presenting it, which is pretty cool. So we've got some pH paper here, always a good thing. I'm remembering a lot of stuff from science classes. Aluminum potassium sulfate. So most of the ingredients for the different experiments are in bulk packaging and loose packaging. Citric acid, test tubes, test tube holder. I am a fan of the minimal packaging with maximum artwork and like showing what's all involved here. The microscope is a little bit, there's no microscope in here. There might be a magnifying glass in here, but pretty interesting set of experiments. It looks pretty durable. Obviously no glass or anything super dangerous as far as the equipment. Safety is included, and you know, a lot of this kind of thing is the equipment and the presentation of the projects, and it looks like the projects are going to be a whole nother layer of fun. So I'm going to put this stuff back into the box and gift this to who it's going to, and we'll let you know after what we think after doing some of the experiments. But hopefully this gives you a good idea of what to expect in the Extreme Kids Chemistry set. Pretty decent value from modern chemistry set. Hope this helps.